Too many people speak the same, sound the same. It's a tragedy. Everyone is invisible. It's a corporate graveyard. Congratulations, you're a brave person clicking on this video. Corporate public speaking coaches are making you invisible. This executive presence myth is a selling point. It doesn't work. I will show the problem, I will show the solution, and I will show you what you really need. Nobody cares anymore. The greatest CEOs are systematically ignoring the most common popular advice that corporate public speaking teachers are spreading around. Did you notice that? Welcome to the club. Majority of my work is about dismantling these corporate inefficient strategies. It has to stop. What's the point? You seek to increase your presence, you consult a guy that makes everyone else look the same and speak the same. It's not sustainable. An example. The common model of executive presence says, stand straighter, speak slower, lower your voice, use confident body language, and own the room. Oh my, it's empty, it's boring, it's self-imposed. It creates self-monitoring, not authority. You spend 90% of time of your energy thinking how you look. More confident you try to be, weaker your charisma gets. Remember that. Key of charisma. Stop trying. Relax. Let your own authenticity shine through. That's the most arrogant thing you can do. That's what the most powerful people are doing. Break through it, as controversial as it sounds. Dismantle the posture. Reject the confident body language. Too many people are using it. Its spell on your audience has diminished. The solution? What executive presence actually is? Clarity. People understand what you mean and why you mean it. Authenticity. You're genuine enough, sincere enough, capable enough to communicate this need and to bring others in on it, to include others. Direction. People feel where your thinking is going, to share your vision. Check out my other videos on how to do that. Stop practicing your delivery. Start practicing your conviction. Presence is not how you look when you speak. It's what you create in other people's hearts and minds. To do that, you have to challenge status quo on every level and do it politely. Your charisma, your vision, your unique and authentic presence that involves, motivates others. Be bold. Seek confidence in what makes you authentic, not in formulaic failed strategies of presence. Executive presence is the opposite of performing. That's what people don't understand. Is the absence of neediness. When you stop obsessing over your hand gestures or whether you said you become truly grounded. Real power is being comfortable enough to be imperfect in front of those who are desperate to be perfect. That's what a leader should be able to afford. Are you doing that? What you really need. The irony is that more you try to perform executive presence, the less of it you actually have. Presence is not added to behavior. People respect conviction. What makes you unique? What do you believe in? And how far are you willing to go to make your voice heard, your ideas shared? The corporate world is obsessed with smoothness, no conflict, no silence, no friction. Nothing significant ever happens in a smooth, safe environment. That's why they're invisible. They're spending billions on nothing. One guy with a podcast has become more influential than CNN. Why? You don't need a polished script. A good argument should have edges. It should have silence. It should force people to stop scrolling and actually think. If you aren't making your audience slightly uncomfortable, you aren't leading them. You are just entertaining them and doing your quota. That's not what we want. Be authentic. And if you already are, make it a priority that your executive presence reflects that. No more hiding. This age doesn't tolerate it. If you're not authentic, we won't listen to you. That's the message. And I think it is a valiant step forward. For more videos, subscribe to Alyosha.Speaks. I'm creating this series, Boring versus Authentic. And of course, if you're interested in one-on-one sessions where I will analyze your speech pattern, where we can create a true strategy of your presence, I need to hear you talk. Feel free to book a free trial session on Preply. I think the link is in somewhere on my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comments or send a private message. I'm willing to help real, aspiring, ambitious people to break through this wall of silence. This corporate imposed executive presence thingy has to go. It's boring, it's ineffective, it's making you invisible. Welcome.